Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker, and today we're visiting an apartment at Jing'an MRT, which is 3 stations from Guting MRT, which is where NTNU is. There are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and let's go have a look. Okay, so this is the gate when you walk in. This is the apartment. So there's a living room and a dining room and a kitchen and a bathroom over here and 1 master room in suite and a bedroom and a balcony here. Let's start from the living room. There are a big couch and coffee table and a fan. And the wall is painted blue, really beautiful. And there's some shelf and Wi-Fi and a dining table right here and a kitchen, a fridge. Right, there's a kettle. Sink and a stove and stove fan. Okay, some more storage for you to put all the cups, glasses. Okay, from this angle it is quite spacious in the apartment living room. Let's check out this bathroom. Okay. So, okay, and a mirror and a window and a shower and a washer. All right. So you have your washer and your shower together. Alright. Okay, let's go check out the bedroom. Tenants still live here. So they're his personal stuff. But in this room, there's a closet over here, and a desk and chair, and big window, good sunlight, and a balcony, like big window, and a double bed, and an AC. Little table, pretty stylish. All right. Okay. All right. So this is the yellow master bedroom. It is pretty spacious, and there's a double bed and a little table here, and a fan, and a double bed, a lamp, and storage space, some shelf here, and 2 desks and chair, and a big window. And an AC, and here is the closet. Okay. So you have your own private bathroom. It's a boutique one. It's fun and very clean. And washroom, shower. Your shower is right here, and you have a curtain and a window. Alright. Alright, so from this angle, let's have a look. There's okay.